guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I created this look, and guess what? It's created with the kit that I showed you all in the earlier video, which is the beginner's kit. If you all haven't seen that video yet, you must watch it. So I have left a link right here, and for those who are new to my channel, I would really love it and appreciate it if you all take a little moment and subscribe to my channel. So moving on to the video. To begin with, I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer cream. I'm using it all over my face to moisturize my skin. It's very important to moisturize your skin really well before you start your makeup, because that's when the makeup will blend properly. For the primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I'm taking a little bit on my hand. As you can see, the texture is very thick, extremely thick, so little goes a long way. I'll be using it all over my face, especially my T-zones, because I need more of my primer on the T-zones. So first I will mainly focus on my T-zones, which is your forehead, your nose, your lip area, and also right next to your nose, near your cheeks, because you have a lot of open pores out there. And the leftover, I'm going to use it all over my face, but I'm mainly going to focus on my T-zones. For the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix two shades, which is 330 and 128. And I'll start dabbing the foundation on my face. So I remember when I started, when I was a beginner, I knew nothing about makeup. When it comes to makeup, for me makeup was just kajal, liner, BB cream and a bit of compact powder and one lipstick, which is like mostly red. So I know that's how I started my beginner's journey with, but throughout the years things have changed drastically when it comes to makeup. There are so many products even in the beginner's makeup that you actually a beginner need. So herein, basically, I'm not going to drag the foundation, I am going to dab it on my skin. This is the key to a flawless makeup, that is, your foundation should be blended really well, or else it's going to look cakey. For the concealer, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I am going to use it in the areas where I need more coverage, which is like the under eye area. On my forehead, my nose, down my lips. And make sure that you blend your under eyes really well, because you don't want additional extra products under your eyes, because it's going to, crease. So the more product in your under eye area, the more it will crease. So make sure that it's minimal. For the loose powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. So I'm going to take a little bit of powder on my brush, which is like a fluffy powder brush, and just pat it all over my face. I'm not going to drag it again because I don't want to drag the foundation, I'm just going to pat it lightly. I personally love this loose powder because it helps me set my face completely, especially my under eye area. Sets my under eye beautifully. Pat. I'm not dragging, I'm patting. So I haven't set my under eye yet with the brush, because you can see there are creases under my eye. So first I need to clear those creases out and then I will pack powder on it, because without clearing the creases, if you just pack the powder on that, it's going to sit in the creases and it's not going to look good. So first you need to clear your creases out and blend it once again with a beauty blender. Once you know that you don't have any creases under your eye, with the same beauty blender, you're going to take some loose powder and pack it under your eye. So I'm going to let the powder sit there for a while. Till then I'll just finish off the rest of the face. Moving on to the eyes, I am using the Diamond Dust palette from Forever 52. To be very honest, this is my favorite product. In fact, the brand, I love it itself. All the products are so pigmented. They are amazing. For the crease, I'm going with this very soft brown color in the palette. I'm applying the color all over my crease, starting from the outside, then moving inside, because I don't want too much of color in the inner corner. Take the product, don't forget to dust off the excess. I am blending the crease really well because I don't want any harsh lines there. So I am taking like a very fluffy blending brush. So I am not using it ज़्यादा crease पे, but just ऊपर जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है harsh lines है, वहाँ पे I am going to blend it. So as a beginner, I am not going for too many shades like the outer corner, the inner corner, or maybe the crease color to be different. I am just going for two basic colors. One is the crease color, which is very important, and one is the shimmer shade, which is this gold shade from the palette. So I'm using my finger itself and I'm going to apply this gold shade all over my lids. So I'm going to use my fingers because I feel I can work the best with fingers when it comes to shimmer pigments more than a brush. Your finger picks up more pigment than what a brush would. So I always prefer using my finger. Next, I will be moving on to my brows, but before I move on to my brows, I am just dusting the excess powder that's there under my eye that we used for baking. For the brows, I am using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I am brushing my brows to give it a shape. Mixing both the colors because I don't want it to be very intense. I'm first going to line the lower section of my eyebrows and give it a shape. Once that is in shape, I will move on to the top section. For the liner, I am going for the Lakme Absolute Shine line. I am going to create a very thin liner because I don't want a really fat liner going on. I'm going for a very small wing. I don't want it like an elongated wing, but I'm going for a very small one. Going for the kajal, the pencil kajal from Sugar. For the mascara, I am using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So next I'll be completing my face. So for the contour, I'm going for the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I'll be just giving some structure to the face. For the blush, I'm going for the Nykaa Duo. For the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. For the lips, I'm going for the Miss Claire lip creme in the number 55. I feel this lip shade is a bit light for the makeup look, so I am going with the Nykaa Mini Lip Shade. I'm just going to tap it on my lips. For the setting spray, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I'm going to spray it all over my face to set my face. So I hope you all loved the video and liked the look that I created with the beginner's kit. And if you all did, do not forget to like, share it with your friends and your close ones, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I will soon be coming up with a new video, so stay tuned.